Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some summer crepes, for which we of course need some crepes, fruit and bise from the white of the eggs and sugar. For the beginning we need to start with the cutting down the bananas and strawberries. One thing that I want to mention is that the recipe of the crepes you can find in our previous videos. This is the exactly same recipe, so we are not going to repeat it. Just go and find the crepes with another video with crepes. And now all that we need to do is put in some base onto the crepe, add in some ice cream. You can choose any flavor that you like, chocolate, vanilla, or anything, and then you can go on and add the fruits. If you want to make it more beautiful, you can give it some design, one banana and then strawberry and then banana again. This depends on your decision. And you can finish it up with some condensed milk to make it more beautiful and tastier, of course. Just close it and add more condensed milk onto the top of that. And voila, it is ready to be tasted. Good appetite!